We have small classes, and that does give us the opportunity to have that personal connection with the students, get to know the students even better, and then tailor our lessons to the students' specific needs. We don't try to stick too rigid to every little lesson, but we try to follow a little bit more organically how the students want to learn. That also makes them feel more comfortable in the classroom and makes them feel part of the classroom.
Teaching at Dwight is different because it's very much a community. The community supports each other, they look after each other. They also have a lot of experience with teaching and learning, so you know the content's going to be good. You know the curriculum's good, and you know that if you want something, it's a possibility because the choices are about making sure that the kids' experience here is the best one possible. Our classroom is a place where students can be free to take off their shoes, they can be free to sit anywhere they want to. They have a joy of learning because the classroom has so many possibilities.